Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we are going to install Java Development Kit version 17.0.2, which is also the latest version as of now. So without any further ado, let's launch a browser and search for the keyword download JDK. Click on the first link which leads you to the Oracle's download page. Down here, choose your operating system, whichever it is, like Linux, Mac, or Windows. I'm going to select Windows and click on the link that says Compressed Archive. And save. After the zip file gets downloaded, extract it by clicking on it and then again clicking on Extract All button. Then clicking on Extract. Now cut this folder and paste it inside Downloads directory. Now we can delete these files. Traverse down the JDK 17.0.2 directory inside the bin folder. Copy the path, and now we can add this path to our system variable path. For that, click Windows plus R shortcut key and type sysdm.cpl. Go to the Advanced tab, click on the Environment Variables button. Under System Variables, click on the Path variable. Click on New and paste the path that you've just copied. Click OK, then again OK, then again OK. And now we can verify if our JDK has been successfully installed or not. For that, launch your command prompt window and type Java version, Java-version. And here comes the output stating the version of the Java development kit which is installed on this machine, which is also the Java version 17.0.2, which we installed right now. And now that you've come so far in this video, I'm sure you liked it, and thank you for that. See you in the next video.